In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Zoho Campaigns. Whether you're reaching out with a newsletter, a promotional email, or an event invite, having a well-crafted template will save you time and ensure consistency across your communications. Let's dive right in and explore the process step by step. First things first, before we can get into template creation, you'll need to log in to your Zoho Campaigns account. Once you're logged in, head over to the main dashboard where you'll see a variety of options to choose from. For our purposes, we're going to focus on the library section. This is your go-to place for all things related to email templates. Click on it and then select Email Templates. This will lead you to the heart of your email design toolkit within Zoho Campaigns. Now, one of the great features Zoho offers is the variety of ways you can start crafting your email template. You can choose from 3 convenient options, each catering to different needs and preferences. Let's explore them to find out which one suits your project best. For those looking for flexibility and simplicity, the basic templates might be the ideal starting point. These are blank layouts, offering a clean slate combined with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Perfect for those who enjoy a hands-on approach to custom design, you can easily create your unique look without getting too technical. If you prefer starting with something more structured or need inspiration, consider exploring the pre-designed templates. Zoho provides a wide array of ready-to-use designs tailored specifically for various occasions. Whether you're sending out a newsletter, a promotional blast, or a webinar invitation, there's a high chance you'll find a template that resonates with your needs and style. These designs not only look professional, but also save you time and effort. For the tech-savvy individuals who want full control over every design aspect, the HTML editor or import option is available. This allows you to paste or upload your very own HTML code. It's a fantastic choice if you have a specific design ready that someone else has already coded, or if you're repurposing content from a previous campaign. This option is particularly useful for maintaining brand consistency if you've already developed a distinct email style. No matter which path you choose, Zoho Campaigns is designed to streamline your workflow and enhance your email marketing strategy. So take your time to experiment with these options, find what works best for your business, and transform your email communication into something extraordinary. Thanks for watching and happy campaigning.